Dude, fuck off.
Where's your scat pack? Nick, what do you... God!
Dude, I'm out of ammo. Chill.
What the hell? I'm lagging. Why you shooting me with the Kuda?
No way.
Dude.
Stop shooting me with the fucking Kuda, bro. For real.
What are you doing?
Fuck, Austin, stop! God! I'm killing you with that.
Hey.
What? God!
Me and my buddy here have been expecting you. My sticky buddy, Sully here with the... Oh, excuse me, I've got some pussy hair on me. Check that shit out. It's a sticky roller designed to clean up any mess. Poodles, pussies, people, you name it. Use it as a back scratcher. You can rinse it off, dry it off, jerk it off. I don't care what you do with it or where the hair even came from. Silks, suedes, swag. Ladies, I don't care how smelly or hairy your carpets are. My rubber fingers get in there deep. Just rinse it off for a nice beverage. Wipe it off. Oh, there we are. Do all kinds of shit with it. Aren't you tired of ripping your hair out because you're trying to drive and the kids are making a fucking mess? You'll be making so much money. It pays itself off. Ooh, precious food. It's good. Thanks, buddy. Everybody has an evil cat or an annoying dog. Use it to groom them, or even yourself.
Yeah.
Alright.
You leave this lobby.
Yeah, leave the lot. I don't even know what I just heard.
So what'd you guys think of that? That was pretty stupid, eh?
Hey. Yeah, Chase, Terry.
Can.
Dance!
Exclamation mark. 2 of them, actually.
Actually, I'm about to sneeze.
Alright.
Hey!
Bless you.
Thank you. Someone is lag switching.
Right.
This guy's got it.
There's Ivan.
This guy's got it.
Yeah, yeah.
This guy's got it!
Oh,
Ah! Ripper. Get the Ripper out. Get the Ripper out. No way.
Oh.
No way.
Oh,
Get the
oh
Ripper
no.
out.
Window. Oh my god, this can't bomb, bro.
This guy's got it!
No. No.
Trip mine.
Behind, oh!
Get away.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, yes. Use it.
Oh, this guy's got it.
He just needs to stay in
Can't
there.
bomb.
Ripper.
He needs to can't bomb. Okay, you know where he's going.
Go sit by the thing
I
and just
swear to
Ripper him.
God.
Dude, this guy's got it. Ivan!
Get him.
Hey!
Ah!
Oh, he's talking. Oh.
Here.
What? No! Oh my god.
Hey.
Bro, I shot the Oh, stop fucking laughing, dude. That's not funny. Dude, I shot him. Why is that so fucking funny, bro? Whenever I... Cameron, bring mom toilet paper. Hurry, she has a fire going. Her words, not mine. Go, she needs it, bro. Fire.
This is my favorite part, right here.
Are you serious? A hit marker! Yeah!
Middle, I don't see anybody.
Still suspicious.
Oh, yeah, Razorback, the best fucking gun in the game! Forgot!